A bank robber claims his getaway driver wasn't competent to testify in his trial. The court permitted the driver's testimony, and the robber appealed, claiming that the court stole the opportunity for a fair trial in United States v. Roach. Two masked men with guns robbed a bank while a third person waited for them. In addition to money, the robbers accidentally took a red dye pack loaded with tear gas. Police pulled over a car that matched the description of the robber's getaway car. Beecher, Drell, Roach, and Brenda Jackson were in the car. Police saw a red stain on the front seat, so they arrested Roach and Jackson. Jackson asked police why they were being arrested, and Roach told her, quote, "Shut up, you know why," unquote. Roach faced federal charges for bank robbery and carrying a firearm while committing a felony. Before Jackson's trial, she underwent a psychiatric evaluation to determine whether she was competent to stand trial. Though she used drugs occasionally, she was found competent. Roach's attorney disputed whether Jackson was competent to testify as a witness in Roach's trial and obtained a copy of the evaluation. In Roach's case, the court held a hearing and let Roach's attorney ask Jackson questions about her mental state. Though Jackson had been emotionally troubled and used drugs twice since her evaluation, her answers to questions were clear and lucid. The judge didn't ask her any questions, and no expert witnesses were used. The judge declared that she could testify. At trial, Jackson testified that Roach and Ronnie Stewart robbed the bank, and Jackson drove the getaway car. She told the jury that the dye pack exploded while she drove, so they couldn't see well. Roach took over driving. Meanwhile, Stewart threw the shotgun out of the vehicle and fled with the money. Also at trial, a sheriff's deputy testified about Roach's statement to Jackson at the time of arrest. Roach was convicted but appealed, arguing that he didn't receive a fair trial.